In this video, we'll show you the most important points you need to check before running your W1000 for the first time. We are assuming that you read all the manuals and installed the machine properly, following all the instructions. Make sure the machine is not installed higher than 30 centimeters or 12 inches from the ground. You can measure it from the bottom of the yellow case to the ground. Use a 3rd amperes fuse between the main battery and the machine power supply. Check both the engine and hydraulic oil levels. Adjust the height offset. To do so, you need to manually lower the probe until it barely touches the ground. After that, go to the test menu and write down the value in centimeters you have there. Then go to Setup menu and in the field Offset, input the value you wrote down before. Do one test sample and adjust the probe direction so the soil sample drops inside the bucket. And make sure to check our support page for update manuals and more videos on how to maintain and troubleshoot your W1000.